Hey everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is your first look at the brand new 2021 Avenger 27RBS. So, what's great about this model, it's a very popular model for us. We've been sold out of it all year. This one has a great washroom. It's got a great sleeping for extra people if they come, but it's not a bunk model. And so you've got lots of great options with this trailer. You've got great storage in the front. All the Avengers come equipped with the solid step from Lippert. This particular model also is equipped with an outdoor kitchen. So you've got your sink, which is drained to the black tank. You've got a fridge here and a nice little pull-out two-burner cooktop stove as well. As we come inside the 27RBS, you can see that we've got a great U-shaped dinette with a nice large tabletop, windows all around, and so easily 6 adults can sit around this table. And then there's lots of storage also underneath the dinette. But what's great is this turns into a great bed for adult-sized people. And then over here we've got this really cool couch. So what's great about this couch is it's, first of all, directly across from the TV. So if you're sitting here, you can watch TV, which is just wonderful. And then if you want to turn it into a bed, it's really quick. You just simply pull this tab, and it slides out, pull it towards you, and it slides down into a bed. Now back here, this is the greatest part of this trailer. The best bathroom in any trailer ever. You can see this has a nice large washroom with lots of storage and room around the toilet and a nice little window there for brightness. You've got a humongo shower with shower surround all around. And then you've got a good sized vanity with a medicine cabinet. And then check out this storage. You've got tons of storage in the washroom of only a 27-foot travel trailer. So what's great is you can put your clothes in the storage and have your shower and get dressed in the washroom, and there's lots of room to do that. So if that's something that's important to you, this trailer would be a great option. Storage underneath the entertainment area, 11 cubic foot fridge. You've got a nice glass top stove, and then lots of counter space all around with the farmhouse undermount sink. You've got lots of cabinets here and drawers, and then you've got a barn door entry into the bedroom, which is great because it doesn't take up any more space. You can see that ducted heat through the floor, ducted air conditioning through the ceiling. You've got windows on both sides of the beds and lots of storage around the beds. And yes, there is plugs on both sides of the beds as well. So we just really wanted to give you kind of a first look at some of these brand new 2021s. They're finally starting to arrive at our lot. At Campkins, we say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.